Hello everyone, welcome to the Skill Talk again, and in this video we will be talking about precision maintenance. So we will be discussing what it is and why it matters and how you can apply it in the real world situation to reduce your machine breakdowns. So let's start with this. So what precision maintenance is? So precision maintenance is doing every maintenance task every time precisely and in right way. So the goal is to being consistent, accurate, and following the industry best practices. So all that can be supported by certified practical trainings, or you can say that you should have a clear process understanding, and we can also say that it should be the data driven insights, so that we can boost the efficiency and the safety standards for our machines and our plant. Now next is why we should bother about precision maintenance. Okay, so by getting the details right, we are not just fixing the things, but we are preventing future headaches. So how these future headaches will be like, we should be avoiding the breakdown, which means less downtime, so which translates directly to saving time and as well as the money. So it's a win-win situation. Just imagine that your machines are running like a dream, smooth and quiet. Now next thing is that where we should use this precision maintenance. So my answer will be pretty much everywhere, in every machine, like pumps, impellers, motors, gearboxes, bearings, gears, conveyors, mills, and lot others, right? So all these machines should be properly aligned using the alignment kits. Their bolts should be torque tightened using torque wrenches, not only any kind of a guesswork. Impeller should be balanced based on the ISO standards, and bearing clearances to be accurately maintained, or simply we can say that we have to always use right tool designed for that job. Let's have a practical example for this. Let's assume that there is one fan which is driven by a motor, and it bearing fails every 3 months. So if we make it proper align, balance, base and housing bolts are properly torque tightened, lubricated based on the OEM recommendations and running hours, so bearing clearance is well within the limits, the fan and motor will run smoothly, and their lifespan will definitely going to increase over 3 to 4 times without a single issue. Now let's discuss that how we can avoid these common errors in precise maintenance. So it will be like using right tools for the right job. We have to follow SOP or ISO and OEM guidelines, and our team should be well trained for the job. So we should document everything, like last alignment values of the equipment, or you can say the last bearing clearances that we keep in the bearings, so etc. like this. So also we should maintain the proper 5S. There's like machine environment should be clean. There should be no oil, no dust, no dirt. So, and in the last, overall what we mean to say is we should not rush always, right? So we should always measure and verify before closing of the job. So these small steps will prevent big problems down the line. So here we come to the end of the topic. We hope this helped you understand how attention to detail can boost your machine performance and reliability. So at Skill Talk, our mission is very simple: understand it in a simple way and language. So guys, if you find this video helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe and share with your team or peers who might benefit with this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.